Engage in sports. Say, engage in sports. Napaisip ko lang ako. Sa masay natin, sabihin mo kay Master Post ko na mag-sports tayo. Okay. Meron kasi tayong topic talaga. Sports, basta sports science. Okay. I'll bring this up. Okay. Alright, so first set, ito yung starting position, standing. Kita niyo yan, yung dalawa lang. Dalawa lang. Standing. Okay, for each you have walking backward, running forward. That's the first standing position. The next set, squat and jump. Okay, now these four tasks, these are for sedentary lifestyle or sedentary patients. So yung pasyente nyo, walang sports, walang activities, ito yung gagawin. Yung next set, yung 5, mga agility, meron kayo? Wala? Akala ko talaga meron kayo eh. Isulat ko ba? Sige. Ito yung dinala ko. So sa standing, kita niyo ba yan? Okay. Standing muna. Standing. Masasin lang. Okay, we have walking backward. Assessment. Not sure. Okay, from the hip. Knee tayo, knee flexion here for 20 degrees of knee flexion. So that's enough to lift the foot off the ground. So, as you can see, if I'm going to slow-mo, okay, isa-isang paa. Nakuha. Single limb stance lang, parate. Walang double. Okay, that's the difference between walking and running. There's no double limb stance in running. Okay, single lang parate. Ang awkward kapag dalawa. Okay, so that's running forward and walking backward for 6 meters. If 6 to 8 meters, sumobra pa dyan, okay, that's functional. That's normal. 3 to 6, functionally fair. 1 to 3, that's functional poor, 0, non-functional. Okay, next set is squat and jump. So this means no locomotion. Walang locomotion dito. For squat, 20 to 30 degrees must be performed. Ganun lang. Ito yung ba medyo magawin pa. Okay, hindi mababa. Okay, ganito lang. That's 20 to 30. If they can perform 5 to 6 repetitions, okay, then 3 to 4, that's functionally fair. 1 to 2, functionally poor, 0, non-functional. And jump, of course, lifting off the body off the ground. Okay? Ganda, not too high. Di kailangan. Because remember, these sets are for sedentary patients. Okay? Huwag yung, sige nga po, abutin niyo po yan. Okay, hindi ganun. Basta, jump lang. Hop. It's more of a hop. Ang hop kasi, merong forward. So jump is in place. Okay? Yeah. Right? So that's the first set. Naintindihan ba yun? Last? Okay? Again, for jump, it's the same. 5 to 6 reps, functional. 3 to 4, functionally fair. 1 to 2, functionally poor. Then 0 is non-functional. Okay, next. Next set. Dito na lang. Diyan na lang ako. Wait lang. single leg, hop 4 times, then triple hop, then crossover hop, agility hop, then stairs hop test. Again, for jump is in pace. Okay? If it's hop, then you're moving, there's locomotion. You're moving forward or backward. Nakuha? Class? Class?
Yes.
Hindi ba nakuha? Hop, between hop and jump. Ha? Okay, let's do single hop or single leg hop. Ito yung 6 meters. Okay? So let's see. With this test, I'll just read it for you. Patient is assessed at the time taken to hop 6 meters. Okay, so timer, okay, on one leg, then good leg first, then followed by the injured leg. Okay, so orasan nyo. No? And then, compare the two. Okay, so single leg, yan, left yung affected. Let's start here. So, left affected, I'll do the right first. So, time. Okay? Then, you know the rest. Okay, then the injured leg. Alright? So, that's single leg hop. Okay, so syempre yung kaliwa naman. Next, triple hop. With this test, the patient is asked to hop as far as possible, taking 3 hops. And so the distance for the good leg is compared with that of the injured leg. So now is the distance. Number 1 is the time. Okay, so dito, good leg first, then hop. Okay? Ganyan. Pero may study step ako eh. Kaya, trying to make a long distance here. Okay? Pero sa pasyente, syempre, mahirap. Then, you notice the injured leg. There's some apprehension, there's some pain, okay, and shorter distance. Okay? Then compare the two. Right? Next, crossover hop. Okay, straight line. Ito, gamitin natin straight line. Okay, ito. Right? Yan. Hindi ko na pubusan natin. Masking take natin. Okay, basta itong linya na to. Mark on the floor, then the patient is asked to take 3 consecutive hops on 1 foot, crossing over the straight line each time. Okay, the good limb is tested first, followed by the injured limb. The average distances attained which each leg are compared. So for each hop you measure. Nakuha? Okay? Sige, gawin natin. Ay, wala yan. Kaya mark. Binasa na. Okay, ganito. If you are measuring kasi from here, continuous, nakikita niyo ba dyan? Sorry, hindi na siya nakikita. Pag dito yung distance, ito yung umpisa, yung heel. Ganun din dito. So, mamarkaan ko yung heel ko. Okay? Diba? Sa likod ng heel. Okay, we'll use that instead. We'll use that instead. 6. That's how we measure the step length and stride length. Okay? So you can measure that. Then, at this straight line, okay, ito. Okay? Ano ba?
Sa kabila.
No, I'll check each time. Okay, each time, cross over. Hops on one each time. Kasi, may isip ko lang yung starting. If starting is straight or crossing na siya. So let's do the crossing kasi each time. Okay? Right? Not each time. So for each step, dito ba ako? Isa? Okay, ready? Okay, next. Kita niya? I'm crossing. Third. Okay. So those marks, you can see, ito, will be measured from here. Measure. Okay? Measure. Now, kasi nag-cross siya. So, I think the distance really starts from here. Pag paano meters take sa
Meter stick.
Okay? Measure. Yan yung distance between. Okay, kasi iba yung step length. Pag step length, ang measure niya, yan dito ko nag-umpisa. Okay, tapos nandito. Ang measure niya, ganito. Straight pa rin. Straight. So, bali ang tinignan mo, sa heel. Yung heel ko nandito, yung isa nandito. Pero straight ang measurement. Nakuha? Okay, this one is, distance kasi nagko-cross. Okay? Kaya ito yung gamit ha. Next. Dalawa nila. Ha? Mali na ako. Ay, mali. Okay, tama. Next one. Okay. So 6 meters ha. Kita yung 6 meters. Ito yung distance niya mula doon. Iba to. Hanggang dito. Yan yung 6 meters. Okay, for the next hop, agility hop, yan yung distance ni Nico. Okay? So, kunwari, yung distance niya, itong cone na to, 6 meters. Okay, then another 6 meters. Then another 6 meters. Naka? Ganito kahaba yung 6 meters. Okay, so agility niya, mahaba, 100 feet. Okay? Okay, kulang sa kunwari 6 meters. Good leg first, then 6 meters, nakaturn na ako. Ha? Nakuha? Marami, ang haba. Okay, you need like 100 feet distance between the first cone of starting point up to the last cone. Okay, then next, last ito. Stairs hop best. Okay, tatlo lang sa to. 1, 2, 3. Then, go downward. 1, 2, 3. Then, so start with good leg. Then, platform. Parang ganito. Para umikot. Then, good leg. Then, injured leg. So, sa injured, ingat. Kasi, baka mababa yung talo niya. malabas. No? So, make sure patient is safe, okay, to perform. Again, manage your leg. The timing would be would be longer compared to the leg before taking another hop. Kasi ang injured leg. So that's the difference. And then perform matalisin. The time na lang. Compare the two sides between the good and the other leg. You have questions? Gusto niyo demo ko ulit? Yeah. Okay. Wala naintindihan, class? Sige, so, wala tanong Let's proceed to that.